This channel here is making from $2,000 to $44,000 a month without showing a face. These videos are easier to make, and these videos get millions of views easily. You can generate these videos as both long-form content and short-form content and upload them on other platforms like Instagram Reels and TikTok. By doing this, you can generate income from multiple platforms. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create these types of videos, all with the help of AI, the easiest way possible.
Alright, this is the demo video we are going to create today, and I will show you step-by-step process on how to do this.
Before starting this, I guess you already have a Google account and a YouTube account. Now, I want you to create a new brand account on YouTube if you don't have one already. A YouTube brand account is like a special business profile you can create alongside your personal YouTube channel. Head over to youtube.com/account. When you are there, you will see the option of add or manage your channel. Click here and you will see this option, create a channel. After you click here, you will come to this page. Now choose a YouTube name. I will show you a way to generate the best YouTube channel name using the help of ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and enter this prompt. I will provide this prompt in the description. After you enter this prompt in ChatGPT, it will generate a variety of names. Now select one of the names. I will go with this. After this, accept their terms, and your channel has been created. Now for your channel branding, go to YouTube Studio. I will show you the simple and easy way for creating a logo and a YouTube banner for free with the help of Canva. Log into Canva. Choose a square dimension for the logo. You don't have to make a complex logo. A simple and minimalist logo is fine for your channel, as they are attractive and catchy. I am going with a simple one, with a simple graphical image. I am doing the same with the banner. Here you will find multiple designs by other people. You can choose any one of them and modify them, or create a new one by yourself. Now I will create the same color combination as my logo. Finally, I will add them to my YouTube channel. And the channel is ready. Now, when the channel is ready, it's turn to upload the videos. Before creating any video, you will need a good script. First, you need to find out about the viral topics. You can do this with the help of Google Bard. I am asking Google Bard to provide viral motivational video ideas. If you are not satisfied with the answer, then dive deep into it. Now I have got the video ideas. It's time to generate a good script. I have picked this topic on improving your career. Now I will head over to ChatGPT. I will show you two ways to generate a script. First is the easy one, and second is the advanced one. Second one is a gift for you. You can always use this simple prompt and ask ChatGPT to generate a script for you. This will provide you the script, but this looks average. But if you want a more advanced result, you can use this prompt, which I will provide in the description. Now, an advanced version of the script has been created, but this looks short. So you can ask ChatGPT to provide each section in detail. You can do this for all of the sections. Now paste the script in any note-taking app. I am using Google Docs to paste the script. Now your script is ready. It's time to generate a voice. There are many sites available for generating text-to-speech. Many websites have the limitations for around 100 words or 200 words. But I will show you one website with no limitations. You can create as much audio as you can without having to pay. The site is called Clipchamp. This site is trustable as this is owned by Microsoft itself. Here you can generate as much audio as you want. Select the try for free option, and you will be redirected to the sign up page. Now select the login options. When you are successfully logged in, you will see the create video option. Select this. After that, you will see this text-to-speech section. Paste your script here, and you can see how your audio will sound. You are free to choose from many different voices. You can also try the different voice styles. You can change the speed. if it seems fast or slow to you. After you are done with it, select the Save to Media option and your voice is ready. Now export this. This is exported as video format, but you can detach the audio easily, which I will show you in the next part. Before moving into the next part, please subscribe to our channel as I share these valuable insights in my channel, and you can also comment on the topic on which you would like to see more videos on. Now that our voice is also ready, it's time to generate a nice looking video. Normally, these types of videos contain a dark and mysterious theme with a caption in the video. For this, head over to CapCut and sign up with your account. Select Create a New Video, and you will come to the editing section. Now upload the audio which you have generated. For creating a caption, head over to this caption section and hit Generate. Now that the subtitle is generated, separate the audio from the video. Now remove this part as we will now add stock videos. Now you can add the video clips according to your script matching each line. After this, I am making the video a little bit darker theme, so I am making some color adjustments. You can follow the same setting or experiment by yourself which one is suitable. You can select the Apply All to apply this setting over all the clips. It seems like the font of the caption doesn't match the theme, so I am modifying it also. I am choosing the one with commercial use. Now the video is finally completed. You can export it in full quality. Congratulations, your video is finally ready. Now it's time to upload this video to YouTube. Before this, you need to create a good thumbnail and also choose the SEO-friendly title, tags, and description. For creating a thumbnail, I will head over to Canva. Here, I can choose from millions of pre-made assets. I just have to choose one and modify them without having to put lots of work. These thumbnails looks decent and attractive. I will create a simple thumbnail for now. Here I will keep the background a little dark, and I will add one picture that might match the theme of the video. After this, I will reduce the opacity of this image and add a bold text in it. Now that my thumbnail is also ready, I will be looking for SEO-friendly titles, tags, and descriptions. This is the only way for ranking your videos into number 1. Head over to Google Bard and ask it to generate one for you. It will generate the title, tags, and description which you can add in your video.